Hello, this is Maria Breslin. If you're looking at this video, no doubt you've got PE Design 11 or PE Design 10, or perhaps you're just thinking of buying some embroidery software. Well, I can highly recommend PE Design 11. It's got some really nice features. Anyway, if you open up your software, this is what it's going to look like when you first open, literally when you first open it up. This part in the middle here is called your wizard. And from the wizard, you can go to various parts of the software. If you don't want to go there, for today, I'm just going to close that wizard and I just click on it on here. So this is what your software will look like. The area across here is called your ribbon, and there's all various things you can actually do. So one of the main things people do want to do is be able to import a design. So I'm going to travel across my home ribbon and across to import patterns. I'm going to left click and it asks me where do I want to import my designs from. So I've got from Design Library. Design Library are designs that are already in the software and they're already in PES format. Just for those of you who don't know, Brother Machines and Brother Software, everything is PES, that's PES format. And that's what Brother Embroidery machines use. If you have a different, if you don't have a Brother machine, then each machine has a different format and you need to refer to your manual to make sure you get the right format. So I'm going to open up the Design Library and just left click and it brings open the input pane. Now it's telling me here I'm in the Design Library and it says what category. So I'm going to, there's a drop down menu. Whenever you see a little arrow like that, it's called a drop down menu. And I'm going to put lace and ribbon on there. Select that, left click and open it up. And I've got a scroll bar down the side if you see here. So I'm going to put in, I'm going to select this one, the bottom left one, and I'm just going to import it. And that's how easy it is to import designs. And from the import pane, I can import multiple patterns. If I wanted to import that one, I just select it and press import and it's in. Now it'll always put your designs into the centre. So you see you've got a black box around there and I've got a cross hash. All I have to do is move that down out the way and you can do multiple designs on there. That's how easy it is. You can actually just put as many designs in if you wanted. I'm then just going to quickly show you how you could put some text in there if you want. Again, back onto my ribbon, I left click on the text box and it's this large A. I want to open this dialog box. I open it up and again you see here you've got a drop down menu and I've got all these fonts in here and I can use any of those. So I'm going to do number 6. And I'm just going to put sewing in there. Type it in. All I do, I left click to anchor it and show it where I want it to be, the writing to go. And I'm just going to put sewing. Oops. Now you can see I've made a mistake there, so I can just highlight that one, delete it and put a G. Once I'm happy with the spelling, I just put enter. And you've got your sewing in there. And again, you can just move it once you've got that cross. There, let's go on there. Oops, see if we can get it. You can move it to wherever you want to. And you deselect and you can actually see how easy it is to put multiple designs in and actually add some text. I'm just going to put file new now and get rid of all of that and say do I want to change no, say the changes, and it's no. I'm just quickly and very briefly going to show you how you can create your own designs very quickly. I'm going to change, select the heart. I'm going to left click and just draw a heart. It's all there for me and I've got fill stitch. I can change that to any of these stitches. I can put a motif stitch in. I can put a spiral stitch. I can actually put a flexible spiral stitch, which is quite different. And it's very easy to make loads of designs of your own. So this is only a very brief overview, but if you have got PE Design 10 and 11 and you're not sure how to use it, book on my 2-day course and you will actually just love your design. You'll love P Design 11, and you'll get more and more confident to use it. Within the 2 days you learn a lot, but there's always a lot more to learn. And I'd like to add at this stage, is one of the questions I get asked a lot is, do you really need to be able to draw to digitise? I always say you don't need to be able to draw to digitise. You need to be able to trace, so you can make some really nice individual designs as long as you can trace over. And that's one of the things again we cover on the software. I bring in a design, an image, and you trace over it. Anyway, I hope this video has been helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you on my course. Bye!